Hello everybody. Today we're going to be working with Microsoft Word and we're going to be working on changing fonts, font colors, font sizes. If you are not familiar with the term font, font is another way to say the letters. When we work with Microsoft Word, remembering that Microsoft Word is a program that we use to type our documents, we can change the way the letters that we use look. For example, do you like the title that I wrote? To write this type of titles, you may use these settings, or you can change the color that we're using so your letters can have a different appearance. They can even have a shadow or even glow. See? Now, everybody knows the Little Red Riding Hood story, but if you don't, I'm going to leave you a link on the homework so you can watch the Little Red Riding Hood. After that, or knowing the story, I want you to write your own version of the story of the Little Red Riding Hood, as in what you see on the pictures. Basically, the rules are that I want you to write one sentence, one complete sentence per page, using font size number 22. This over here is the formatting toolbar. In the formatting toolbar, you're going to find everything that you need to change the appearance of your font, your letters, in your documents. Starting by font size. Font size is how big your letter is. We're going to be using font size number 24. And I'm going to start by typing, "This is the story of the Little Red Riding Hood." Now, if you notice that the computer that you're using is marking you some lines in red, that is spelling. Your computer is suggesting that you may have or may have not written the words correctly or incorrectly depending on the language you're using. To change that, you select the font by either selecting it with the mouse or doing 3 clicks on each word. As you can see, the computer already noticed that I was writing in English, but what happens if I add a different letter and the word is not correct? You may either make a right click and correct it, or you may delete the word and write it correctly. If I wrote any misspelled word, the computer should notice, and then you correct it by making a right click on the mouse. Her grandmother was sick. Now, I'm going to select the letters see, it corrects the spelling. I'm going to select the sentence and I'm going to change the font type. Here you change the font type. Look at the letters. And from all of these, you are going to choose one. Only one. And then you're going to change the font color. Please try to avoid colors that are too clear because then I can't see. Okay? I really appreciate that you choose stronger colors that are easy for Miss Newman to read. Thank you. Then we go to the next page and we write something again in font type number 24. We change the font type to something different, and then we change the font color. Her mother sent her with some food for her grandmother that lived in the woods. See? Remember that all sentences start with a capital letter and end with a period. After Word has noticed that you are writing in English, it will stop correcting the spelling if everything is written correctly. See? We're going to go down to the next picture. To go down, you may use the scroll button on your mouse or the scroll bars on the side of the screen. You see? That will take you up and down on your document. Once you're ready to upload the document, you may go to File, Save, or Save As, and you may name it as Little Red Riding Hood Finished Document or Final Document, and then close it and go to your team's homework and upload the homework when you're finished. Thank you very much for watching. Hope that you enjoyed your homework. Have a nice day.